Suppose we are having a table with few rows and columns and you want to transpose that. How to make that happen? So first of all, select that table and then copy it by clicking here, or you can go to edit and copy. And then what we can do is we can just right click and go to paste spatial. And here we will see multiple options. So what we can do is we can just select transpose and click on OK, and the table will be transposed. So column 1 becomes row 1, column 2 becomes row 2, and column 3 becomes row 3. And you can also do that from here by going to edit and then paste spatial. So click here, since we have already copied, go to paste spatial and then paste spatial. Over here you can just select transpose and then OK, and the values or the table are now transposed. So this is how you transpose in pre-existing table, and you can just have a new table with the transposed values.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.